Friction welding theory is based on the principle of converting mechanical energy into heat through friction, causing materials to become plastic and bond together under pressure. In a typical process, one workpiece rotates against a stationary one with a high axial load applied to increase friction and load. Once sufficient heat is generated at the interface, the rotation stops and final forging force consolidates the parts, creating a solid state weld without melting. Hydraulic cylinder safety involves the proper training, lockout, tagout procedures, personal protective equipments, and the regular inspections. Always depressurize systems before the maintenance, follow manufacturer guidelines, and ensure secure mounting to prevent injury. लाइक करें, शेयर करें और बेल बटन दबाएं। थैंक यू।